video, I'm just going to be going over what all these numbers mean for this drawing of a CAD file. So for this assignment, you're going to be CADing the aluminum gripper that we use for the FRC Power Up season. And to help you CAD this part, you'll be referencing this drawing. So all these numbers basically just represent the different measurements for the different features of this part. For instance, this 12.5 represents the 12.5-inch length of this part from the rim of this curve to the tip of this point. You'll also notice that for some measurements, they're preceded by a circle with a line going through it. This just means that the measurement given is a diameter. For instance, this circle has a diameter of 1 1/8 inches. Likewise, this circle also has a 1 1/8 inch diameter. And this small little circle and all these other circles have a diameter of 0.163 inches. So when you're CADing these small circles, for the diameter, input 0.163 inches. I'm now going to go ahead and go over the dimensions of this part. Like I said before, this 12.5-inch measurement is the total length of this part from here all the way down to here. This measurement, 2.625 or 2 5/8 inches, is really the height of the part. So from here to here, the height that goes straight down. This 4.375 or 4 3/8 measurement is the length of this diagonal side of the part. Also, this 9-inch measurement represents the distance from the rim of this curve to the center of this circle. And this R1.3125 represents that this curve has a radius of 1.3125 inches. In addition, you'll notice that there's a 2-inch measurement over here, which means that these holes are spaced by 2 inches, and that this hole, the distance from this center to this center is 1 inch. And in addition, the distance from this center to this side is 1.3125 inches. Also, the distance from the center of this circle to this circle is 7¼ inches. And the spacing between the little holes is 1.75 inches. Same applies up here, 1.75 inches, 1.75 inches. And the distance from this hole to this tip horizontally is 1.75 inches and 1/2 inch vertically. In addition, the distance from these holes to the center of this hole horizontally is 1.5 inches, and from this hole to that hole horizontally is 2.25 inches. So hopefully I've explained every single measurement on this drawing so that you can understand it, and hopefully when you CAD this part, it'll match up with the dimensions up here. And finally, when you decide to extrude your sketch, make sure to extrude it by 1/8 inch because the aluminum we use on our plasma cutter is about 1/8 inch thick.